In this video, we're going to look at an app that will help you with org documentation, optimization, and change management. So get ready to uninstall a lot of your legacy software and archive your spreadsheets because this app is about to replace a lot of your tools. What's up everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Wagh and I test out Salesforce apps so you don't have to. And today we're going to be looking at an app called Elements.cloud. Now let me unpack the problem real quick. You see, Salesforce administrators, their responsibilities really fall into two parts. And the first part is configuration. That's the fun part. That's where we get to build, automate, migrate, deploy. And the second part is what I like to call administrative management. That's where we plan, document, map out business processes, and audit. Now, the problem with the second part is that it's often neglected. Now, you might be thinking,
why? Whatever do you mean?
It's because administrative management is time consuming, and it often requires the use of third-party tools, which means no one else in the company cares to look at it. And keeping documentation up to date is a pain. So when the time comes to finally refer back to these elements, well, we're out of luck. So enter Elements.cloud. Elements.cloud makes administrative management easy. Now, this app has a ton of features, so I'm just going to highlight 3 of my favorite features that I know can instantly turn a regular admin into a superhero. So let's check it out. The first feature is the org analysis report. Elements.cloud conducts a very comprehensive analysis of your org and then gives you this report. And what's great is that in this report, each analysis section includes a visual representation that you can export. For example, we get information about metadata like descriptions and custom fields. We get information on usage like the number of records by object or reports generated over time. And we get information on our user base like the number of users by profile. But that's not all. In addition to the report, an impact analysis is included. This means you can see things like which fields are considered risky and why. For example, for this field, an impact analysis shows that it's high risk because of all the different components that it's associated with. And an impact analysis tree shows even more granularity in a different visual style. As an admin, being able to analyze an entire org, identify risk, and present your findings with visuals is extremely powerful. Plus, knowing this type of information will ensure that any changes you make in your org will not accidentally mess something up. The next feature that I love is the ability to provide additional context and get feedback within page layouts. Elements.cloud lets you add these little purple icons to the page layout that users can click into for more information. The info can be in the form of a link, text, or even a diagram. This is great for extra guidance or training. Think of it like help text, but on steroids. But that's not all. Users can also use this feature to give feedback. They just click on the Leave Feedback button, type out their feedback, and click Post to submit. Now, once the feedback is submitted, an admin can go into the Elements.cloud hub and review it. And because Elements.cloud has already provided us with an impact analysis of our fields, we can quickly see if this feedback is tied to a field that's considered risky. You see, with Elements.cloud, it's all connected. The last feature that I wanted to highlight is the process mapping tool. Now, there are a lot of flowchart tools available in the marketplace, but this one stands out to me for a couple reasons. First, you can combine multiple related processes into one map using hierarchical layers. This means you can toggle separate flowcharts within one mapping file. Second, everything is version controlled, which means it's easy to stay compliant and manage even if you have lots of contributors and edits. Ultimately, what you're getting here is a collection of interconnected tools housed within a single app. It's like when Tony Stark puts on his Iron Man suit, he can deploy a range of tools within a single user interface. Now, these 3 features were just my favorite, but this app offers a lot more. So if you already like what you saw, then I know you'll be impressed by the other tools. This app is paid, but they do offer a generous free trial, so make sure to give it a shot. I will leave a link to the AppExchange listing in the comments below. That's all I have for this video. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this type of content, then please be sure to subscribe. Until next time, thanks again. See ya.
Big on the step, what they step like. So I